Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to regularly receive updates about the videos I post.
Maybe you have walked past without even noticing them. Maybe you know exactly how many you have. Either way, electric motors play a very important role in our everyday businesses and lives. They move and run basically everything we need for business or pleasure. All these motors run on electricity. In order to do their work of providing torque and speed, they need the corresponding amount of electric energy. All these motors consume electricity to provide the torque or speed needed. If that torque or speed was too high or low, mechanical controls were used to slow down, shift, or control output. The result is inefficiency, with a lot of wasted materials and energy. A motor's speed should match exactly what is required by the process. Without a better way to control the speed, a lot of energy gets wasted. And that's not good for anyone's business. But there is a way to control these motors that helps you not only to save energy, but also reduce scrap and maintenance costs.
This can be achieved by using an electric drive, also called as variable frequency drives. Drives can efficiently change the speed and torque of the motor to reduce the wastage of mechanical energy. This results in huge savings in electrical energy. Want to know how electric drives can help in doing this? Continue watching my next video. Thank you.